Hi everyone, meet the Flla Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and portable 3-in-1 device perfect for home, office, and car cleaning. This mini vacuum not only sucks up dust with 5,500 PA suction, but also blows air to clean hard-to-reach spots like keyboards and air conditioners. It comes with 3 interchangeable heads, including a long nozzle for corners, a brush for delicate surfaces, and a multi-function mouth for blowing and vacuuming. Lightweight and cordless, it offers 15 to 20 minutes of strong cleaning power on a single charge. The vacuum features a washable filter and convenient USB Type-C, charging for easy maintenance. Plus, it doubles as an air pump to inflate swim rings and toys. Whether you need to clean tight spaces or blow away dust, this versatile tool makes the job simple and quick. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.